Peace, y'all. I recognize some people are not ready to invest in stocks or bonds at this moment. So, a lot of you guys have money that's just sitting in a bank account, not making any money. So, you might as well just, put it under your mattress and have it sit there. But, so better ways to have your money sit. If it's has to sit, it should be making you at least some type of money. Um, if you have a savings account, you need to see how much they offer in interest a year to see if this is really making me any money. Uh, Average for most saving accounts is around 0.09%, which is a year. So that's not a lot. That's change. So you need to look around, search around for banks that offer higher annual yield compounds or interest. So compound interest. So a lot of those are not brick and mortar stores. So sorry, brick and mortar banks. So you need a lot of the offers is at online banks. So such as Capital One 360 Saving Performance or CIBC Bank or CIT Bank. They all offer higher but interest rates like 1.70, 1.85, 1.75. Um, all of those are some banks to look into. Just shop around, find a bank that if your money is going to have to sit in an account, that it's actually going to make you money and not just be there. Um, so that's my tip for today. Search around for a high yield savings account and put your money in there until you need it. All right, peace.